up, Barbara? Okay. And you heard it from the mouth himself. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to another day in the life at JAlly Farms. What we're going to do today is I got some of this stuff, the emitters right here, and one of these hole punch things right there. This is the best one for me to use right now. I got a couple of different types and stuff, but this one's the best one to use. Now, what we're going to do, I've got the water line in, the main line, and all I'm doing now are the emitters for them. So we're going to do the emitters, and let me see if I can't get you a close-up of it. Okay, emitters. Got my tool right here. I'm going to pick up the pipe and I'm going to rub my hand on it. Clean off the dirt. We had 10 inches of rain about a week ago. Hard to imagine, but yeah. And I'm going to poke a hole right there in it. And I'm going to snap one of these in. And then after it's in, I'll put it right up by the plant. Okay. Okay, same with the other one. Poke a hole right by the plant and put an emitter in. And repeat as many plants as you have, and that's it. I hope you could hear me from there. It took about 1,000 feet of this 5/8 PVC line to do all this. Put it right up close to it, and on to the next one. Doing this will also save you a lot of money in water. So hopefully within the next month or so we'll have the well hooked up out here. Looks like a little bitty one. Here. Okay guys, got all the emitters in, and now time to test this thing to see if it works. All I'm doing is hooking it up to a regular water hose, and I got this thing on it. It's the water hose adapter, and I got this thing in here, which is a PSI regulator. Get it nice and tight so it don't leak, or rarely leaks, and time to turn on the water. Okay, got the water on. Hang on, I hear a thing, maybe I missed it. Hang on. Okay guys, while walking the field I found this, and there's a couple other emitters just spraying water out. So I think they're the old ones I had, and I used that. So I'm going to take those out and put the new ones in. Okay, let me try and close up on here. Alright. We got a couple more down in here. I know these are the old ones, so I gotta take these off and put the new ones on. Okay guys, that's it. Until next time, live it, love it, share it. I'm all soaked here, so I'm gonna change out of these wet clothes. Alright, everything seems to be working good. The drip line's working. The emitters are working. Most of them are working. There's a couple of small, really small leaks around it, around some of these smaller ones, but that's fine. I'm just gonna let it be. Until next time, live it, love it, share it. We'll see you later.